You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this Korean word. Yes, this is a word that means, in Korean, it designates an older sister. That's what it means. It's also, of course, the title of a song by Weekly. In Korean, it's pronounced as Unnie. Okay, so it's not uni, it's not university, it's on knee. So you could say it's like on and knee, on knee, like you're on your knees, right? On knee, not uni, not uni, on knee. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.